from Atlanta, Georgia. Put your hands together for Corey Tatum.
Hey, everybody, how's it going? All right. So, anybody here from Atlanta?
Woo!
Yeah, so it feels real weird being up here with all the lights and stuff. You know? You know how you got that crazy uncle who like always comes to the barbecue and like looks at all the young cousins and stuff? Hey girl.
Gross.
Come on over here. You ain't wanna come on over here. This is the barbecue over here. Look at it. What's that way? Yeah, that's right. All right. Okay, y'all been a great night. Thank you.
We've been a great night. Don't quit your day job. Where's the man with the cane? Drag you off.
Oh. Sitting at the Serenity deck. It is warm outside. This pool is cold, so cold. It's refreshing if it's hot outside. Put your legs and feet in.
Seen by nobody.
So we're sitting at the Serenity deck. Was in the pool for a little bit. Got out, dried off. I went and got me some blue iguana burrito, which was good. And Dana decided to use the order food app, order food button in the Carnival hub, where they will bring you a pizza or some wings or whatever. So wherever you are on the ship. So we're gonna see how this works. She said you had to take a picture of yourself and a picture of where you are located.
No, take a picture of yourself and then on the map, you just show on the map where you're located. So, and the map is pretty much just like it is out here. So I was able to show them where I am out here and then take a picture of myself and send it.
Okay. So we're gonna sit here and wait and see how long it takes and see if it actually works, if they actually find us. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, look at that. There's your pizza. Her pizza's here. That's so cool.
Thank you very much. Enjoy, Mom.
Thank you. Well, there's
Please, pizza.
pizza delivery.
And this is why we eat at the Big Chicken but don't own it.
Dirty elevator. Jawbreaker, looks like. Broken jawbreaker. A cup. But like ice cream used to be in it. Who knows? I don't know what they were doing in here. Gross.
Here you have 3 balloons. They all have cash prizes inside of them, but only one of them has $1,000 in it. Now I'm gonna ask you to choose. Do I have a pen? There it is. I'm gonna ask you to choose one. Is this the one that you? This is the one you wanted? Okay. You didn't let me finish. Because I was going to ask you to choose one to eliminate. So this is the one you're eliminating, yes? No, this is the one you want? But you chose that one. That's the one you're eliminating this one? Okay, he's eliminating this one. Wait, audience, what do you think? Should he take balloon number 1? Or balloon number 2? Here, I'm going to give you a chance to keep your balloon or swap. So we're going to do right now is slowly open this prize and show it to the audience. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! You just won!
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you're waiting for. Searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. So glad to see that the words we heard are you and me. Lost of carefree notions on the way. If by chance I'd see you in the tavern, we'd smile at one another and we'd say,
of our king and queen. They're all dressed up and looking for fun, so show them some love, friends. A huge round of applause for our Mardi Gras king and queen's entourage. Clap those hands, come on. Give them a round of applause.
Okay guys, I am on a mission impossible. So Dana and I have this little bet going on. Not really a bet because there's no money involved. But she says that there is a ice cream soft serve machine, Swirls, inside of the Lido Marketplace. I told her that it's on the back of the Lido Marketplace, like outside, like right by the pool. So she says she saw one inside the Lido Marketplace. So let's go see if we can find it. I'm also going to show you where all the other Swirls locations are.
So let's go see if we can find this mysterious swirls machine that Dana says is inside the Lido Marketplace.
Deck 8.
So the Lido Marketplace, and then boom, there's swirls.
Happen. Come on, Kate. Kate, come on over. Do your robot thingy. Check this out. Kate.
DJ Clark, you know what time it is. Let's go. Right. You got it left. Come on, keep going to the left. Then we kick and kick. DJ, you turn it up, turn it round. Here we go. To the and to the left. Kick it and kick it, walk it out. Great work. To the left and clap to the right. Everybody, you step. You step quick. 1, 2, 3. Take it back and stop to the left, to the right, and then you slide, turn and slide. Let's go.
We hope that you enjoyed that video. Please hit that thumbs up button if you did. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.